Good morning, I'm Ellie Miriam, the Closet Quilter. Hey, are you doing some traveling this summer? I am. I had to think about what I was going to do, so I knew I couldn't bring any machines. I was flying, and I decided to do hand piecing. So I had to learn hand piecing, of course. So I watched a lot of videos and learned a lot, and I'm a hand piecer! Yay! Oh yeah, I do it all. Oh, this was fun. This was a lot of fun learning hand piecing. And watch those videos. They're really easy. They make it look so easy. And so that's what I'm going to do while I'm traveling. And you can do it too. All you have to do is put together a kit. Here's what I put in my kit. I get my thread, of course. I have Airfill cotton, Airfill, whatever. I'm bringing my needles. I put a little needle holder. Got one of those. Bringing little pins, little applique pins. Squares, of course. Now I did a vintage quilt. I used the squares, and I made a vintage quilt a while back, and I have a lot of those left over, a lot. So I'm bringing those various and sundry. I'll be gone probably 3 weeks. How long will you be gone? And are you traveling out of the country? You definitely want to make a quilt or sewing kit for your travels. I have a rather long plane ride, so I'm making mine. So this is what I'm bringing. My threader, never leave home without it. It does have a cover on it, so I don't need to bring scissors, because as you know, they will not let me bring these on a plane. Oh, hell no. Look at these suckers, they're so sharp. No, I'm putting these in luggage. So, and I'll bring my water-soluble marking pen, and I have a one of those calling cards I got at a quilt show. This one happens to be from offthewallquilt.com, Rick and Julie Luoma's place. It has a nice 1/4 inch marking right here I can use for marking my squares. When you do hand piecing, you have to mark your squares quite a bit, so sometimes they have stamps, but that's a lot of patching, so I'm not going to do that. It's a lot of prep work I would have to do before I went on my trip. I'm just not willing to do that. I'll bring my water-soluble pen and my ruler calling card. Thank you very much, Rick and Julie Luomas of offthewallquilt.com. Very helpful. What else am I bringing? Oh, needles. Did I say that? My needle holder. Thread, of course. I think that's about. Oh, maybe some of these little clips. I have some of these little tiny clips instead of pins on the plane, since they frown on sharp things. I'll bring one of these little tiny wonder clips that I had laying around. I'll bring that instead of pins to hold my corners. So that's my kit, and I'm going to do little 9 patches. Here's one that I'm working on right now. While I was learning how to hand piece. This turned out pretty good. I have one more row to do. I'll attach that row. I'm looking forward to it. Anyway, if you're going on the travels, I hope you make yourself a little travel kit and you have a good time. And I'll see you when I get back. Have a great summer. Thanks for stopping by, the Closet Quilter.